Welcome to MailMeter, the one-stop email solution for archiving, e-discovery, and storage management. During today's demonstration, we are going to show you the MailMeter Retention Management Module. The Retention Management Module is part of the MailMeter suite, and it is accessed via the web browser interface through the MailMeter portal. MailMeter Retention Manager is a powerful tool for granular destruction of messages based on your retention periods and groupings in the MailMeter Archive. Only users with the appropriate authorization can configure their Retention Manager module. The interface allows you to set retention periods, organize users into groups, assign the groups to retention categories, and assign the frequency of destruction to purge messages. Retention Manager can be viewed on the left-hand pane of the MailMeter portal. Here you can see it is broken up into different sections: categories, groups, schedule, options, and reports. First, let us start with categories. Categories are simply the retention period that we define for our organization. To create a category, you select the New button. We give the category a name and we give it an age. The age can be defined in days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. Next, we give the category a scope. We have three types of scope. We can apply a category across the system, to a specific user, or to specific user messages within the archive. For this example, we are going to set a 7-year retention category. Now we move on to groups. The Groups section allows us to configure a group of people in the organization. This group can then be assigned to a particular category. For this example, we are going to create a group for the finance team. Now we can select users in the organization and apply them to this group. Here we are adding Mark and Lorcan. Now that we have defined our group, we can apply it to our specific category. I am going to go back into my finance group and I'm going to add it to my 7-year finance team category. The next step is to schedule our retention policy to run. It can be scheduled to run on a once-off, daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In the next section, there are options around the purge process. Here we can manage conflict resolution. This allows us to have users in multiple groups. We can get MailMeter to define the appropriate retention policy, be it the least aggressive or the most aggressive. We can also tell the system to purge mails that are out of scope and that have no internal participants. We can notify our administrators when the system is running or if there are any issues within the purge jobs. We recommend that you have this confirmation checkbox ticked to approve any purge that is going to run. The last section is reports. The system comes with a set of default reports that allow you to look at any categories of groups that have been audited. We can review our assigned groups. We can review groups that have been unassigned. We can review users that have not been put into a group. And we can check messages that were put into legal hold from the Investigate module. Thank you for your time today. We hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on MailMeter, please visit waterfordtechnologies.com.